Hi friend, today title How Elon Musk become the richest person in the world. What if I told you that one man risked his entire fortune not once but multiple times and came within weeks of losing everything? Today he is net worth hundreds of billions of dollars and controls companies that build electric cars, rockets, AI satellites and even brain computer technology. But Elon Musk was not born as the richest on earth. His journey is filled with failures, rejection, sleepless nights, and that most people would never let. So, how did Elon Musk go from a young program in South Africa to one of the wealthiest and most influential people in history? Stay until the end because the final secret behind the success might completely change how you think about money and business. So, chapter 1, the beginning. Elon Musk was born in Petronda in 1971. As a child, he loved reading books. By age 10, he became interested in computers. At just 12 years old, he created a old game called Blaster and sold it for around $500. Most kids were playing games, Elon was building them. Even at a young age, he believed technology could change the future. Chapter 2, Living South Africa. At age 17, Elon Musk moved to Canada. He worked all jobs, including cleaning, bowlers, and the labor intervals work. Later, he attended in university and eventually transformed the University of Pennsylvania. While many students focused on getting a short job, Elon has bigger dreams. He wanted to build computers that could change humanity. Chapter 3, The First Startup. In 1995, Elon Musk has his brother started a company called Jeep2. The internet was well new. Most business did not understand it, but Elon saw opportunity. He slept in the office. He worked almost non-stop. After years of the orphan, Jeep2 was ordered for about $307 million. Elon resolved roughly $22 million. Most people would have retired. Instead, it looks in every bigger risk. Chapter 4, PayPal changes everything. Elon invested his money into a new online banking company. That company eventually became a part of PayPal. At the time, online payments were not common. People did not trust sending money through the internet, but PayPal moved a major problem. When eBay acquired PayPal in 2002 for $1.5 billion, Elon earned around $180 million. Now he was truly wealthy, but instead of protecting his fortune, he made the boldest decision of his life. Chapter 5, Betting Everything. Most millionaires diversity. Elon did the opposite. He invested heavily into three extremely risky companies: SpaceX, Tesla, Solar City. Experts thought it was crazy. Rockets fell, car companies fell, solar companies fell, yet Elon paused at three at the same time. His goal was just not making money. He wanted to transformation, energy and space exploration. So let's start the chapter 6, the darkest year. The year 2008 nearly destroyed everything. Tesla was running out of the money. SpaceX had suffered multiple failed rocket launches. Investors were losing confidence. Elon later said that he was close to bankruptcy. At one point, he reportedly had to borrow money for personal expansion. Many people would have quit. Elon kept going. The something changed. SpaceX finally achieved a successful rocket launch. Soon after, the company acquired a major contract. Tesla also survived a financial crisis. The businesses that almost collapsed were suddenly alive again. Chapter 7, Tesla Explosion. Over the next decade, Tesla grew rapidly. Electric vehicles became mainstream. Tesla's stock price surged as Tesla became one of the world's most valuable companies. Elon's wealth skyrocketed. His fortune was not mainly from salary, it came from ownership. This is not important lesson. The richest enterprises often own assets that grow in value. They don't simply trade time for money. What do you want next topic? So please comment the below and like, comment, subscribe, share.